update here. Horns. So I rewired all of this a while ago. Cut out the stuff that was in there. It was all kind of mingled together. Patched in a new power wire here, and I picked up a new relay. I cleaned out the connector just a little and ran all this. And if you remember, I tested it. I don't know if it was on camera, but I did test it a while back. Battery is hooked up. And what I was doing, this wire, oh man, that was kind of hard to see. Oh, it's really hard to see. Anyway, this is the bottom of the horn wire right here. And there's another wire all the way up here that goes in. And that wire was just loose. It is just stuffed into the back of that connector right now. It's not actually hooked up. I need to pull it, repin it. But with all the new parts and all the work we did on the steering wheel, a functioning horn. So I guess the next step is going to be, like I said, to get that wire actually, the pin out of the connector, the wire actually attached to it, and get the whole thing put back together. But right now it's sitting. I can turn the wheel, it's not shorting unless you push the button, and then it honks. So, like I said, one of those things that I've been fighting with for a little while, and finally got the wiring squared away enough for that all to work. And between that and fixing all this mess, we're good to go. Thanks for watching.